is Carly, and I absolutely love the holiday season. This time of year, I do worry about break-ins more than usual. My husband and I are both RNs. We work a lot of hours. We're also running around shopping, doing holiday parties, volunteering, so we're not home a lot. We do have 2 basset hounds, but they're not exactly guard dogs.
Over the holidays, a lot of people's homes are vulnerable. So today what we want to do is show Carly and everybody else what to do to keep their home safe and secure over the holiday season. Let's start here with the packages. Have you ever had your packages stolen?
I have.
So there's a couple of things that we can do to prevent this from happening. You can set up notifications through your delivery companies, and they can notify you via text or email and tell you, hey, your packages are at your front door. So this way you can go over to your neighbor, somebody that you trust,
Right.
and ask them to come on over and grab them for you. You can also have them delivered at work. You can even work with the delivery company or the vendor and say, hey, can you deliver them during the times that you're home? I see your tree is in the window. When you have the tree on display like this, everybody's gonna know that there are presents under the tree. Maybe find a different spot inside the house.
But that makes perfect sense.
If you wanna keep your tree in the window, there's a film that you can put over the window. That way, if somebody tries to break in, when the glass is shattered, it won't actually fall in, it'll stay stuck onto the plastic. It's very likely it will deter somebody from breaking in. Carly, what do I see here?
My packages from shopping.
Why is this a bad idea? I can see it right through here, shopping bags. I open, I take, and I go. Or I break the window and I go. People look for opportunities, so if they see stuff in the cart, that's going to invite them. But when they look through the window and they see that there's nothing in there, you know what they're gonna do? They're gonna go to the next car. Let me show you something that you are doing right. Your deadbolt. You can tell that this is a newer lock. People with houses that have older locks, they'll have an issue. So you always want to have a long deadbolt, inch and a half. When you lock it, you want it to go into the wall. So I can't shimmy it open with a credit card or even with a crowbar. So good job on this one, Carly. This is really good.
Great, thank you.
This wire, what is this for?
The electric for the tree and the decoration.
Yes, it is. So you're doing what many people do. They put the decorations outside, and then they run the power inside the home. Your window is partially open. So all I have to do is this. Oh, there's my gift. I have window stoppers that we can actually put into the window. When you go to open the window, it stops it. These are great to have. You can install them by yourself. The back and side windows are the most vulnerable to any house. They're the ones that are most likely to get broken into. The more you know, the safer you're gonna feel. Now all you need is a guard dog.